Good day, sir. I am Stephen Sumudong. I'm 21 years old. I live in Cabok Norte, Sigatuna, Bohol. One of my favorite quotes is, "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." This reminds me to keep going no matter what challenge I face. My dream in life is to become a seafarer so I can make a difference and inspire others. For this class, I expect to learn new skills, gain deeper knowledge, and improve myself not only academically but also personally. I also look forward to building good relationship with my classmates and working together to achieve our goals. So sir, thank you.